We love camping, and we love camping with our dogs. What we don't love is camping with bugs.
Okay. These bugs are going to get inside.
Well, close the screen.
Okay. Watch out, guys. I'm going to close the screen.
Sure, our van had a bug screen, but it had definitely seen its better days.
Really.
It was ugly and really hard to work with.
Oh, shoot. I didn't do it. You close the screen.
Fine.
I don't think I can. I got it.
See?
Seems to be a little bit of a gap.
Son of a bug screen!
We knew the day we looked at this van, before we bought it.
Yep.
Remember the first thing I said was,
It's gonna need a new
this
bug
screen is going to have to go.
It's gonna have to go.
I say it goes.
Okay. I am so tired of this thing. You know what I'm gonna do with this one?
What?
This is our new bug screen from Living in a Bubble. You saw the problems we've had with the other bug screen. So we reached out to our friends at Living in a Bubble and got us one of these door screens. Let me show you first how easy it is to put up and then how much better it is than that abomination. Okay, you guys ready for your new screen? Look how pretty that is.
So pretty. I love
My
the
goodness.
white. Oh, I love it.
It's my first time. Be gentle.
I thought you said it came with instructions.
It came with a hug.
Oh, it came with a hug. That's right.
I don't need instructions. It's just
Oh, it's magneting.
Magnets
It's magneting
all
everything
over.
it comes in contact with.
even the bottom makes it
Oh
tough
my
to.
gosh, it's so
to do that.
amazing. It's so amazing. Those magnets really stick so good.
That is fantastic. I mean,
Come on.
look at that. Look at it.
How do you not love that?
It was easier to put this up than it was to take the other one down. And look at this.
That's freaking amazing. Hey, you know what I just realized?
What?
Well, first of all, what about some tiebacks? Because that'd look cute. No, but look.
Oh,
Ta-da! You can watch TV. Oh my gosh. That is the best thing
that's
ever.
amazing.
I'm not even saying that because the camera's on. I love it. And I knew I would because I love, first of all, I'm so glad I got the white, that we got the white. And I mean, it's a perfect fit.
It is.
Absolutely perfect fit. That's
I'm
so
okay with that.
fantastic.
That looks great.
I love it so much. So does Greta.
With our new Living in a Bubble screen, we can keep the dogs in and keep the bugs out.
Good puppies. Isn't that so nice? How cool is this? So much easier than that sliding door. And so much prettier. Very cool. Oh, so pretty.